just cooking dinner here. I just seen something on the internet the other day and I want to try it out. That's a TikTok recipe with salmon and feta cheese, and I'm gonna show you how we do it. Alright, actually it's pretty simple, I think. So first of all, I got here 2 salmon fillets. You can have the frozen one or the fresh ones, it doesn't matter. Whatever you got. I have the frozen ones here. Nothing else available here at the moment. Alright, put that. Put some feta cheese in the middle. Oops. Oh, I'll put it here. Breaks apart. Alright. And then we put some tomatoes in it. And I got here some pretty yellow ones. I put some of the yellow ones in here. And mix it up with the red. That's a nice color, isn't it? I reckon.
Yeah.
Alright. One more. Yeah, one more. One more. Then we put some lemon on the salmon fillets. I think that's good enough. And then some spinach. I have frozen spinach, but you could use fresh ones if you got some. So I think that will do. Now there's only one left here. I might as well put that in. Empty the packet.
It looks good.
So that's how it looks so far. Now it needs to be cooked. And because we don't have an oven in here, we go outside to our trusty barbecue Weber grill. Ozzy trouble. We don't want him. Yes, you. We don't want him to go out in that rain. We can trouble it how it rains. Oh. Oh. Let's put that on. All right. So close it up. And leave it in here for 30 minutes. Right, that's how it looks. Ooh. It's so rainy outside. That's how it looks. Right from the oven. Alright. Now we take lemons off, and now with the fork we just trying to smash that all a bit together, including the tomatoes. Whoops. You have to be careful with those tomatoes, it's hot.
Delicious.
It smells good already. Alright. Now I put some pepper. Some salt, not too much. Then still get some lemon juice. Drizzle it over. Like so. Then to wash my hands. Some olive oil. Give it a good drizzle over. And then here I have some cooked pasta. Pop them in here. Alright. Mix that all up. That's better to work with. It's not better to mix and everything. Oops. Makes Ozzy happy. And some Parmesan cheese. In. Alright, then get and you can garnish it with some parsley or chives or whatever you got already, but I have nothing, so we won't do anything of that. Put some more parsley on top. And voila! That's salmon pasta a la TikTok. Now we just need to taste it. So sit down and we have a taste.
Now menu is served.
Yeah, here we go.
Yummy. Delicious, absolute delicious.
Alright, this is a easy midnight quick dish to do, so try it out. It's really delicious. See ya.